Hey, good afternoon and welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm and Barn Renovation episode 18. Okay, let's take a look and see what we're going to be doing here. All right, when we left off, we had gotten this beam all the way across here for the front of the barn. And first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to get some of this flooring out of here. I'm going to cut it back about 10 feet, most all of it, and then I'm going to take some of my siding boards there. I'm going to put them up here for some temporary flooring, maybe 10 or 12 boards across, so I can get up here and work and get this front structure built. So I'll be framing out the loft doors about 5 feet across. I think that's how I want these doors to be. That's about what they were before, about 2.5 feet on each door, and getting in some supporting structure coming off of the sides of those uprights, going to the loft doors. That'll all be connected, of course, to this new 3x6. And I'll finish stripping the rest of that old siding up there once things are a little more secure. And then I'll build out this short wall and that short wall over there to accommodate the doors. And I'll start getting some siding and stuff on here. And the last thing I'll do, probably in a weekend or two, is to actually build the doors. But today I'd like to get the structure together and get some siding in place, aside from the loft doors and the big barn doors. So what we're going to do in here is just get some of these boards cut, so I can get them out of there. What a mess. Nasty. Terrible. Okay, so I am now walking around in my temporary loft. As you can see here, I've got about 11 boards across the first, I guess, 4 joists, and just allows me to walk around up here. There's the old stuff back there, and I've knocked a lot of it out doing the work and stuff. So I've only got those all those boards in the back there that are still need to be replaced. These will come back out. This is just temporary for me to walk around, have a place to work. Then of course that's my ladder down. But and up here, I need to get the rest of the siding off of here gently, because I don't want to mess up this wood any more than I have to. Then I'll rebuild this structure here with I'm probably going to use 4x4s to frame out the loft door. That way I've got plenty of room to have as a door jamb, in addition to being structural for the siding. So, and then I've got some work to do downstairs as well, like I mentioned before, on those those short walls coming out, I've got to build those up with some 4x4s as well. I want those sides really strong for the doors. So that's what I'm doing right now. I just got this stuff thrown up here, and I've got a few screws holding it in place. And now I will I'll get the start taking some measurements and doing some stuff with the structure. I did kind of screw myself here because I put the boards all the way flush, and I'm going to need some of that space to put my new structure in, so I can slide a couple of those back as needed to work that structure. So anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. But as you can see here, it's a really spacious loft. I'm standing upright, and let's see, I'm standing in the middle right here, and I'm a tad under 6 feet, so it's, I don't know, 7 foot at the peak. And then of course over here it's lower, but there's plenty of storage space up here for odds and ends and all that. So anyways, looking good, slowly moving along here. Lots of stuff, taking all these boards down. As you see over there, there's all kinds of crap on those boards over there, just dust and just crap, mouse nests, and you know, that stuff was all falling on me while I was trying to take the ones that were out over here. So should have wore a mask and I didn't, so I guess I'll regret that later. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start doing some measurements and start building the structure, and I'll get some better footage here in a moment. Okay, a little update here. We've got a bunch of stuff measured out. I've got some cross bracing up there. Pardon me. And we're going to get, we've already got 2 verticals cut to go up there on either side of the loft doors to frame those out. And then right now Carly is cutting 4x4s to go in these 2 short walls right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put on the tripod camera so you can watch me frame this crap out up here. We had some technical difficulties, and I think we ran out of some other camera time. But anyway, there's pretty much the structure for the front finished. You see I got the reinforced outer walls coming in. I've got the loft doors framed out. I got the horizontal there for siding, and it's looking good. It's looking like a barn, more like it should, because it is a barn. And that's the end of part, I guess this is 18. I'm probably screwing up, but whatever. You guys know where it's at. But anyway, that's the end of today. Get this up as soon as we can, and the next time we start working, we're going to be working on siding. So thanks for following. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends, and please like and subscribe if you do. Thanks. Have a good day.